Did you know there are several ways to legally move to the USA, but most people only know about one or two? From student visas to work permits, I'm going to reveal 5 different paths you can take. You won't want to miss this. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for more tips and guides on moving to the USA. Today, we're talking about a topic that's on many people's minds: how to come to the USA. I'll share 5 different ways you can make your American dream a reality. Stick around because some of these might surprise you. First up is the student visa, also known as the F1 visa. This is a popular choice for those looking to study in the USA. With an F1 visa, you can attend universities, colleges, high schools, and even language training programs. It's a great way to experience American education and culture. Next, we have the work visa, specifically the H-1B visa. This visa is for professionals with specialized skills. If you have a job offer from a US employer in fields like IT, engineering, or healthcare, you can apply for an H-1B visa. It's a fantastic way to build your career in the USA. Another way to come to the USA is through family sponsorship. If you have close relatives who are US citizens or permanent residents, they can sponsor you to join them. This process can take time, but it's a wonderful way to reunite with your loved ones. The Diversity Visa Lottery, also known as the Green Card Lottery, is an exciting opportunity. Each year, the US government randomly selects applicants from countries with low immigration rates to receive a green card. It's a chance to win permanent residency and live in the USA. Lastly, there's the Investor Visa, or the EB-5 visa. If you have substantial financial resources and are willing to invest in a US business, you can apply for an EB-5 visa. This visa not only allows you to live in the USA but also provides a path to permanent residency. So, there you have it. 5 ways to come to the USA. Each path has its own requirements and benefits, so it's important to choose the one that best fits your situation. Moving to a new country is a big step, but with the right information and preparation, you can make it happen. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might be interested in moving to the USA. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides on living in the USA. Have any questions or personal experiences to share? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.